Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox and review the new Itel P55 Plus. Please stick around to find out. So take a look at the back. The back is made with leather back design. Not even that, it comes with two camera bulb located at the back and the LED flashlight. Last few months we witnessed the existing launch of the Itel P40 and the Itel P40 Plus. And now this is the P55 Plus. Moving to the bottom, you will see the headphone jack, the network cable and the charging port. Lastly, the speaker grab. Not even that, this phone is powered by Unisoc TC06 processor. That is the same processor that is powered by the Itel S23 4G and the Infinix Smart 8. So should I waste my money on this device or not? Let's find out in this video. Starting with the design, the Itel P55 Plus comes with two camera bulb, which is the 50 megapixel main camera and the AI camera. Not even that, it also supports 45-watt fast charger, which allows you to charge up this device from 0 to 100% without taking much of your time. And a rubber protective case. I prefer the rubber case more than the leather case. Followed by the USB Type-C port and a bay of earpiece. And lastly, we got the SIM rejector too. Another aspect where the Itel P55 Plus impressed me is that it also features 90Hz refresh rate, which makes it enjoyable when using this device for consuming media. Now moving to the settings, this phone is powered by Android 13 on the box. Not even that, it also features 50 megapixel main camera and 8 megapixel selfie camera. And this phone also comes with 8GB of RAM. Then you can expand to another 8GB of RAM, making it 16GB of RAM with a support of 120Hz refresh rate and powered by 5000 mAh battery capacity. As for the screen resolution, is 720 by 1612. The magic ring is another aspect where the Itel P55 Plus impressed me. With the 45-watt fast charger that comes with this phone, it charges up this device from 0 to 100% in not less than 1 hour 25 minutes. That impressed me so much. Let's talk about other things. As for the price, the Itel P55 Plus goes around 135,000 naira, which is equivalent to $120. As for the size of the display, this phone comes with 6.6 inches display with a support of punch hole camera. Now moving to the sound quality, this is the sound that came out when using this device for consuming media. So take a look at it. It sounds very good. So if you are going for the Itel P55 Plus, the main things you have to bear in mind is that you're gonna get the Android 13, the 45-watt fast charger, the 90Hz refresh rate, a beautiful design, and a manageable processor, which is the Unisoc TC06 processor. Well, that is by the way for today. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel so that you will be updated whenever I drop a new video. Catch you guys on next one. Peace out.